Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string with format method. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So basically string is a collection of any characters. So the technical definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes is known as string. For example, hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple quotes to represent a multi-line string. So in string, we have indexes to each character in it. For example, SS hello, HELLO. So the indexes start from 0 to n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is left to right indexes. And we also have right to left indexes: minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. In backward direction, minus 1 to minus 5. So now we use slice operator to access individual characters of a string. Example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or SS of minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So now coming to the format method. So what is the purpose of format method? Which is used to format a string very flexibly and efficiently, and this is done with the help of curly braces. So curly braces are used inside a string as a placeholder, and in place of this we are going to use format method to replace the values inside a string wherever we have curly braces. For example, you can take it like this. So print, this is a string, so two curly braces, curly and curly, are twin primes. So what are these twin primes? Dot, string dot, format 3 comma 5. So in place of first curly brace you will get 3, in place of second curly brace you will get 5. So 3 and 5 are twin primes, right? So we can also use with positional arguments. 0 and 1 are Indian companies, so string dot format, so 0 Tata, Jio are Indian companies. Similarly, we can also change the position of this arguments. 1 and 0 are Indian companies, dot format, so Tata is 0, Jio is 1. So Jio and Tata are Indian companies. So we can also use with keyword arguments. So curly braces PQR dot format. Okay, so P is Sai, Q is Ram, C is Ali, or R is Ali. P, Q, R. In the second case, I'm taking string RPQ, okay, in curly braces as a placeholder, dot format. So P is Sai, Q is Ram, R is Ali. So Ali, Sai, Ram. So keyword with the different positions as arguments. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python string format method example 1. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So first we'll say with, okay, curly braces, empty curly braces. So A3, B5. So curly braces and curly braces are twin primes, dot format 3, 5. So 3, 5 are twin primes. So we can also use dot A comma B, 3, 5. So let us execute till here. Put comment for the remaining cases. Come to the prompt where you have saved this and run it. So 3 and 5 are twin primes. A and B are twin primes. 3, 5. So next was position arguments in curly braces. 0 and 1 are Indian companies. Dot format. So 0 is Tata, 1 is Jio. Similarly, 1 and 0 are Indian companies. So Jio and Tata are Indian companies. So Tata and Jio, Jio and Tata. So next we have with keywords. So PQR, placeholders with curly braces, dot format, Sai, Ram, Ali. Okay. Next, RPQ, dot format. Okay. R, Ali, Sai, Ram, PQ. So this is position of keyword arguments. Right. So come to the prompt and run it. Sai, Ram, Ali, Ali, Sai, Ram. So this is how we are supposed to work with format method, and this format method, it is used with curly braces as placeholder. So format method, it will format the string which is getting displayed in a program using print method. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.